Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor Santa Rally Week. I'm all dressed up, ready to go. Is it the Santa Rally Week? What do you think? I've made some major moves this morning. Let me show you my position. I have sold some SPCE, Virgin Galactic. I've sold some Photronics, some Walmart, some Tesla, rebalancing, restructuring of my portfolio. Very, very important to trim, take profits off the table. Tax loss harvesting, getting ready for the next leg of my journey, which of course is just around the corner, Christmas and then New Year. So let's get ready. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let's get straight into our trades and show you where we are. We're up this morning, and that's fantastic. I win if it goes up, and I win if it goes down. Either way, I win this morning, so I'm very, very happy with that. So let me, first of all, subscribe and ring the bell if you've not done so already. I'd love to have you here. Give me a thumbs up, and a lot of news this morning, a lot of information to share with you. Santa Rally Week is here. What do you think of the outfit? You like it? You ready to go? Everybody on TikTok, thank you for all the follows, the likes. If you want to get more people and help my channel grow this morning, tap the screen like that for a minute. It shares, it likes the video, and TikTok will share it more. And see the little share button just there? If you click the whoops, today's like so hard to do it. If you click the share button just there, that really helps as well. Just tap that share button, and the more people that share it, the more people come in, the more cash prizes we do on Friday. We do it every single Friday. The more money I make, the more I give away. I'm here to help people. That's what this channel is all about. All right, so there we go. Let's go through our portfolio this morning. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. So, have you opened this morning's Advent calendar? I see Men Techco already has. Here is the Advent calendar. A few seconds, literally like 20 seconds long. Go and leave a message for the world. There is the Advent calendar for this morning in the chat on YouTube. Welcome everybody on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, multiple websites, and of course Twitch. But our home, of course, is here on YouTube. All right. Okay. Let me go over and see who has left a message on the Advent calendar. Men Techco is the first one in. Thank you so much indeed. Inspirational. Lovely. Thank you so much indeed. There's your Christmas message for the world. If anybody else does that, I will share your message on the screen. Let me refresh it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Not yet. I'll come back and check it in a little bit. All right. Let me see who is with us this morning. Very dapper outfit. It's Christmas week, right? We're getting ready. Seb Dean, good morning. SO8ON. Stephen Rowe, hello, good morning to you. Octavia Garcia, good morning. ETORO, it looks great on the wide shot. The suit would be fully in the frame, which makes it even better on that perspective. All right, so you mean like this? You mean like that? There you go. Merry Christmas, everybody. It's Christmas week here on the channel. We are making some profits. We are trimming off. We are taking our tax losses. We're doing all the right stuff to survive for another year. Okay, let's get ready to rock and roll. Okay, let me see who's here. All right, then. Let's have a little look. Today's show, sold Space, sold Tesla, sold Walmart, sold Photronics. Done a lot of selling this morning, pre-market, and all of that information you would have had before I did it if you were a subscriber to my Discord channel, where I do my trades before I do them. Before I go live, you see exactly what I'm going to sell, exactly what I'm going to buy for a couple of bucks a month. You can see that information. There is the Discord. Here is the Discord Premium if you want to be made aware of what I'm selling before I sell and what I'm buying before I buy. There it is. I post it. I tell you what I'm doing, and I stick to it. Gallardo, why sell? Just the same way as Elon Musk sold Tesla, same way as Richard Branson sold Virgin Galactic. There are times to sell no matter how bullish you are on a stock. Trim, chiroo, says Stephen Rowe. Absolutely right. I will share with you, Gallardo Steve, in a minute why I've sold some, why I'm buying back, what's going on, news with Virgin Galactic. Stick with me and I'll share that information with you on the screen. We'll go through all my stocks in a minute. All right. But there's a very good reason for that. Okay. Very, very important. Okay, we've got a good audience watching us right now, but I think we need 20 likes. We can get 20 likes on the screen. Here we go. 20 likes in 1 minute. Let me zoom in. You can see it on the screen right now. Let's get 20 likes in 1 minute. There you go. Smash the like if you want the stocks to go up today and you want to know why I sold Virgin Galactic, even though I'm more bullish than ever. Why did I sell? What's going on? All right, smash the like button. We want 20 likes in 1 minute. There we go. It's on 12. Good morning, Ed Nevius. Over there on TikTok, tap the screen and click the share button just there. There it is. Click the share button. Boom, 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 boom. All right. We're on 12 likes. We've got 15 seconds to go. We need 20 likes before the time runs out. What happened to buy all the stock? I am still buying all the stock. What happened? Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. It's just good management. That's all. I knew somebody would ask me that. Gallardo, what happened to buy all the stock? I feel exactly the same. Nothing's changed. I knew someone was going to ask me in a minute. Hang on a minute. I thought you're the most bullish person in the world. Virgin Galactic, I am. Nothing has changed. It's just management of my portfolio. All right. The more money, the better I manage my portfolio, the more money I have going forward. And I will share with you in a few moments what I have. Okay, let's get ready. Let's start going through our position right now. And here we go again. We've got some, I think we might have some comments on the Christmas Advent calendar. It's 22 seconds long. Here it is. If you want to share a message to the world, here is the Advent calendar. It's 20 seconds. Open it up and put your message to the world. There it is. Let me read out our next message. We've got SO8N and wishing all the best. It's going to be a great week. Santa Rally is here. I'm here. I've trimmed. I make money if I go up. I make money if I go down. All right. There we go. That's SO8N. Thank you. Wish you all the best. Going to be a great week. And good morning from Bill. Lovely stuff. Fantastic. Thank you, guys. And I've replied to you, and I've also given you the list of the full Advent calendar so you don't miss any, and of course the Christmas songs every night as well. All right, you don't want to miss anything. Why? I don't know why, because it would be a shame to miss it. That's why. No other reason than that. I can't think of any proper reason other than you don't want to miss it. All right. Okay. I just replied to you guys. That's all done. Keeping up to date with everybody. Reply to all the members, obviously, as priority. Okay. We're all done. We're up to date. There we go. Fantastic. Okay, so let me show you. Have we got enough people in now to share with you what I've been selling this morning? I've sold Tesla. I've sold Virgin Galactic. I have sold Walmart, Photronics. Quite a few different shares this morning. It's called trimming. Are you changing your overall strategy? No. Nothing at all. It's just the right time to sell. And as I say, if you want to know what I'm selling before I sell, here is my Discord. It's $2 a month to see what I sell and what I buy before I go on air, before you see it. So I actually post it before I actually do it. But I've done some trimming of my portfolio. It's very, very important to trim your portfolio. So let me show you what I've done. First of all, S&P 500, I'm looking to buy some more at 330. It's getting close. I want some funds to be able to buy my S&P 500. It's very, very important to keep a stable part of your portfolio. It's your foundation. It's your rock. It's never going to be out of the money long term. And there's a nice dividend along the journey. Virgin Galactic. So everyone went, oh my God, why did he sell? Okay, yesterday I bought at 406. You may remember, it was at 404. Not yesterday, of course, it was Sunday. On Friday, 404. I actually then sold at the top here this morning, and I knew it would go back down. I trimmed off the top. I've still got 2,100 shares at the moment. 10% of my portfolio is still in Virgin Galactic. Still more than most people. That is a very high percentage for a very risky stock, or regarded as a risky stock. It's not risky for me at all. But it allows me now to, if we get below $4 today, which is highly likely, I've got buy orders set at 350 to buy more, so I make profit on the way up and I buy it cheap going on the way down. That's what I've done to Virgin Galactic. You should have sold after the Fed report last Tuesday, Martin. Now that wasn't right for me. I was very happy to do so today. I've made profits. It doesn't matter. I'm not, there's no FOMO or fear or stress or worry. If I'm making a profit, I'm making a profit. Situations change and I need to adapt with it. So I've still got 2,100. I've got plenty to sell, but I'm still accumulating because we're going to keep going down for a while before the news breaks. We've got another month before news. Now, lots of people are telling me on Reddit, on Twitter, there are delays with Virgin Galactic. There are no delays with Virgin Galactic. There is a lot of people saying stuff on Twitter and Reddit, which is absolutely untrue. It's great for me because it drives the stock price down, so it enables me to buy it at 350 should it go there. But there is no delay. I am in constant contact with Virgin Galactic. I'm reading all the wires. I'm researching it 10 hours a day. There's no evidence at all from anyone to suggest that there's any delays. And when I dig into people that say, why are there delays? They say, well, by now there should be news. By now there should be news. No, there shouldn't. Do you think the people at the factory need to go online and tell you they've just made a cup of tea? Auntie Betty's brought in a cup of tea. Well, someone screwed in the engine for the rocket. No. They just do the job. They're not there to tell you every inch and every out. They're there to report the news at the earnings. There's no news or any reason to think that anything has changed. The reason why I've trimmed off is because I'm lowering my cost base because the overall markets are looking very bearish. People are selling off. I don't think the company's fundamentals that I invest in have changed iota, but people are selling like crazy, and I want to make sure that I take profits along the way and keep lowering my cost basis. That's all I'm doing. Most people are very impatient. You're dead right there, Running Diary. A lot of BS, you mean? Yeah, absolutely. It's just loads of it. People talking absolute nonsense. Now we've got Elon Musk running a poll on Twitter to say, would he step down as CEO from Twitter? And that ends in a couple of days' time, and it's nearly 60%, 57%, I think, saying that he should step down. I voted he should step down as CEO as well and focus on Tesla. I'm not really interested in Twitter. I think it's just whatever. It is what it is. Let's have a little look. Am I changing my strategy? No. Good morning, Running Diary. Good morning, everyone, says Ed Nevius. Done already. Thank you. What happened to you buying all the stock, waiting for information about Eve in January? Yeah, we're all waiting for it. Nothing has changed. My principles never change on this show, ever. I get updated information, but my belief doesn't change. And if it does change, I share it with you live on the show. If you want to get my trades before I make them, that's in my Discord Premium, which is a couple of bucks a month. And you would have seen that I was going to sell those shares before I did it. When will there be a major revenue increase for space? Next year. In January, February, we should get the news about the flights. Everything's on track. There's no issue. Not as far as I'm concerned anyway. He also said be careful what you vote for too. He did. He's just playing games. It's just all part of Elon Musk's persona. That's no issue, is it? No issue whatsoever. Anyway, quick sip of tea. Okay. Portfolio's at $39,000. Let's go through. What else did I sell this morning? Nice jacket, like it's giving us... Are you expecting a red day? If it goes down, I've got some money to buy some dips. If it goes up, I've got some money to trim. If it goes up further, I've got money for long-term positions. So I win whatever it does. That's what rebalancing does. It makes you feel very, very happy with your portfolio. It makes you feel very, very relaxed. You take profits. You also prepare for long-term investment. You also prepare for buying more on the dip. It's a good feeling. All right. Lots of comments about the jacket. Thank you so much indeed. No, I'm not expecting a reg day. It's the Santa Rally. It's been in my portfolio the entire time. It's been on the thumbnails the entire time, and it was my plan the entire time to do a Santa Rally this week. Nothing has changed at all. Spacecraft looks like it's giving us the finger this morning. Let's have a look. SPCE. Yeah, I like that. Spacecraft looks like it's giving us the finger. Rob Brennan, there we go. I'm looking to buy below $4. I've just made some money on it, and we're buying some more. It's a red day. It's red today. Sorry, Martin. Stephen wrote. Well, let's see what happens. If it's red, I don't, no sorry needed. It enables me to get cheaper stocks. Same, I think, or hope for a rally for the run to Christmas. Yes, I do think so, and I'll be trimming off. Anyway, we need to carry on going through my positions here. I only got as far as Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit, as you know, I bought at 190. Tesla, I sold 3 shares of Tesla this morning, trimmed back to 58 shares. Still a very good position, still 10%, still very bullish on Tesla. But I made some profit. I bought down at 148, something like that. So I made a small profit, but I released the capital, released the money. So if we get a 145 or 140 today, I can buy some more and do it again, rinse and repeat, lower my averages all the time. I want to see my base cost go below $200. I want it $199. I don't like seeing it 200. I want to see it $199, right? So we're going to try and achieve that today. If it goes up, I'll trim some because I've got 58 shares. If it goes down, I'll buy some. Either way round, we win. Can we take a moment to appreciate how good the World Cup was? Absolutely. Let's go. That was, without doubt, I've been watching the World Cup football. I refuse to say soccer because 99% of the world say football. So let's go with that. I've been watching football since I was born, which is 53 years ago. Watched every Euro, watched every World Cup since year dot. And I have to say, last night's game with Argentina and France was probably, most certainly, the best World Cup final ever. Normally, World Cup finals are very testy, a couple of goals really. Everyone's on edge, everyone's defending. We get a couple of moments when it opens up, but really, last night was like a league match, a Premier League match in England. It was backwards and forwards, phenomenal, and it's great to see the dream of Messi come true, Lionel Messi, to finally live out the dream. It was a Hollywood movie last night. It played out perfectly. It's great to watch, fantastic for the sport, and I expect to see, because many of the commentators, the American commentators, made the point, wow, this game of soccer, as they called it, is incredibly exciting. Some of them said this is way more exciting than the NFL, which I've always known that anyway. I know that's going to upset a lot of Americans, but I'm saying it as it is. And I think America has a great potential with its love of sport and competitive spirit. In a few years, maybe 10 years from now, we'll have a world-class team because they're getting pretty close to it now, actually. And I think once people start seeing how exciting this is, and last night was such an advertisement, I think that the US are going to get involved big time. So look out, the United States of America. They're always there, and I think they'll be there in about 10 years' time. Anyway, going back to the stocks. Let's have a look. Yes, Church. To be honest, all the matches I've watched were more exciting than previous World Cups. They were. Mbappe is the bomb. Win or lose, he is next up. Yes, he is. Disappointed by the French goalkeeper. Not the French goalkeeper, sorry. Very disappointed by the Argentinian goalkeeper who used his golden glove as a sexual message. I thought that was very inappropriate. He'll be remembered for that. Big mistake. Should never do stuff like that. And I'm also disappointed with Mbappe for being such a bad sport because at the end of the day, you just come second in the World Cup. I know you're down, but he walked off with his golden boot and it virtually came off the stand. Did you see it swivel? Like, I don't want this rubbish. I'm not interested in this. No excitement to come second. I understand it's hard, but flipping heck, mate. Have a little bit of... and the team photograph of France standing there going, smile, you came second. Think of England, think of Germany, think of Brazil. They're not in the final. You actually came second. I think it's bad form when someone doesn't even try to smile, try to be excited by the occasion of coming second. I think that's very bad sportsmanship. But then that's what you might expect from the French. That's going to get me in trouble right there. But there you go. The English would have been different, I think. And I think the Americans would have been too. Anyway, Messi is the GOAT of football. Martyn, the GOAT of YouTube music. Rob, yes, I am the greatest of all time. The greatest. I dance like a bee. I dance like a butterfly and I sting like a bee. There we go. Yes, indeed, Messi, fantastic. Hi, I want to offer promotion of your channel. Oh, hello. Okay, we've got a load of nonsense in there. We'll delete that. Do you think Holland or Mbappe is better? I don't really have a preference. I don't really know, honestly. NFL is boring. I'm not saying that, but I think it is. Mbappe's. I've got a big American audience here. I don't upset everybody. What are you on about? Anyway, I'm boring sport fan. I like golf and horse racing. Nothing wrong with that, Bill. Nothing wrong with that. Do you hold the Nasdaq? Do you hold the Nasdaq? You can't hold the Nasdaq. You can buy shares in the Nasdaq, but you can't actually hold the Nasdaq. Anyway, you can buy shares in companies that are in the Nasdaq, and I've got lots of companies that are in the Nasdaq. Yeah, he's a real sod, the goalkeeper. Yeah, idiot. I mean, you've just won the World Cup, and you come on and do a phallic symbol with your golden glove. Very silly. That'll haunt him for life. That'll pop up on memes. And he'll never get rid of that. I think, so Bobby Moore had it right in 1966. He decided before, he was a gentleman of the game. Remember, winning the World Cup's great, get excited, but kind of think, how am I going to be looked at in 1,000 years from now? And people will look back on the history, the photographs, the videos. Do you want to look back in 1,000 years and see yourself acting like an idiot? Come on, be respectful, be happy. Just be aware. Anyway. So great said Carp DM. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you so much indeed. Do you think Ronaldo are even more angry now because he hasn't won the World Cup? Yeah, it's frustrating. Very rarely it happens that the right people win. It's a Hollywood movie yesterday. It was perfect. Okay, is good, Stephen, breaking records of Premier League already. Mbappe wanted to quit last year. He's very competitive like me in my sport. We live and die by it. Look, yes, I live and die by my music. I've 37 years. I'm committed my life to doing this for you. And I have bad days, but I always also celebrate the good days. Come on, guys. You've got to be respectful. It's like me sitting here and throwing my dummy out the pram today because I lose some money or getting disrespectful to you, going, you, blah, blah, blah. You've supported me every day. The fans have supported you. Those fans came all across the world to support France, and all we've got is, bloody rubbish. No. Always put on a smile. For God's sake, make the effort. True, Martin. If you saw how the fans showed love last night when the team came home, true fans and a true team, absolutely right. Always support. Always be positive. There's no room for this. We lost. We're going to be like idiots. Anyway, any good calls and outs? Yes, I've sold lots of stuff this morning. It was all in my Discord premium. If you want to know what I'm buying before I buy it, what I sell before I sell it, it was all there. It's $2 a month if you want to know. I post it. I actually trade at 5 o'clock. I trade at 6 o'clock in the morning before I come on air. If it's the right thing to do, I try to do it in front of you. But if it's the right thing to do, I do it in the morning and I post it anyway, so you know what I'm doing before I do it. So here's my portfolio up to date. What have I done? I sold some Virgin Galactic. and I'm waiting to buy some more in a minute. I sold some Tesla, waiting to buy some more back in a minute. I sold some Walmart. There you go. My position is trimmed down. I took off the top, waiting to buy some more. I sold some Enphase Energy and waiting to buy some more. What else did I sell this morning? Enphase Energy, Walmart, Tesla. I think that's it for now. Anyway, do you have a target price to buy back into Virgin Galactic? No, I don't have a target price, but I have set it for $3.50, and I'll buy it manually at $3.90, anything under. As long as I'm lowering my averages and making profit on the way up, I don't care. Because at the end of the day, Virgin Galactic, in my mind, is a $100 stock in the future. I don't care whether I pay 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't care. But what I don't want to do is pay more for it than necessary. So I just keep paying less. That's it. It's very simple, really. Croatian team third place. Fans in Zagreb was like they won it. Bigger celebration than went on they won the Euro. Absolutely brilliant. So it should be too. Why is Elon making such a poll when he claims there are so many fake accounts? It's ridiculous. I actually think it's very... I don't know. I don't think it's the way, again, a CEO should conduct himself. Should I resign as a CEO and allowing people who know nothing about it to vote? I mean, it's ridiculous. I think he should step down and focus on Tesla. It's just a silly app. I mean, let's get over Twitter, really. But, I mean, at the end of the day, I'd love to see him focus more time on Tesla. I really, really would. But giving millions of Twitter contributors the opportunity to decide who is the CEO. Well, not who is the CEO, remember. We don't even know who the CEO is going to be. Could be worse. I think it's a very immature way to carry on. He has too much money. He's bored. Yeah, he's running around. It's a bit silly, isn't it? Anyway, I've never seen anything like it. I think it's ridiculous. Anyway, it is what it is. So, the Santa rally is here. I have trimmed. I have sold. I'm waiting for 22 to come in. Market profit. I want to see what everybody feels, because everyone says I never sell. I sold about 1,000 shares this morning. I sold about 10 grand's worth of stock this morning across my entire portfolio. I've had no reaction yet. I'm surprised. You keep saying, why don't you sell stuff? Well, I trimmed off this morning. It was the right thing to do. I feel good. My portfolio is balanced. My soul feels good. And, of course, I'm ready in my red jacket because it's Santa Rally Week. I need 3 days straight of green before that, says Church. Well, let's see what we get then. I don't mind now, actually. In fact, I want it to go red on the bell. I actually do, so I can buy back those shares I just sold that I made a profit on for lower. So that's exactly what I want to do. Anyway, let's bring everybody up to date. Here is the Advent calendar. Has everybody signed the Advent calendar? Did you see the videos over the weekend? Some of you did, some of you didn't. Oh, rubbish. Rubbish. There's the Advent calendar. It's 20-second video. Go and open it. Leave your message. I'll be right back after the 10-second break. And when I come back, I'm going to open the Advent calendar and see who's left a message. Are you ready? See you back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. Okay. Are you buying back Virgin Galactic? Yes, I knew I was going to get so much attention on this because I ranked number 1 in the search term for Virgin Galactic SPCE stock. I am still bullish. I still want to buy all the shares. I still want to fly with Virgin Galactic. I'm still going to Virgin Galactic Space Station. I still own 2,100 shares. It's still 10% of my portfolio. I have just trimmed. Just like Richard Branson trimmed. He sold out, he'll buy back. Just like Elon Musk sold, he'll buy back. No difference. So are you buying back Virgin Galactic? Yes, and I still have 2,100. I want to buy even lower. They were magnificent, says Ahad Katak. Indeed they were. You shouldn't have sold off when it was... You should have sold when it was highs and then sat on it until now to buy again. Well, you can't, in hindsight, we can't tell when the highs and the lows are. I am not trying, and will never have done or ever proclaimed to time the market. All I'm happy to do is take profits when I feel it's the right time to do so. That may or may not be the top. Doesn't matter to me. A profit is a profit. End of the day. And I'm looking at tax harvesting losses as well. I'm also bearing in mind, if I take profits, how much tax will I pay? And I'm also trying to buy it back at a lower price as well. So there's many parts of it. And I'm very happy. Do you have much more cash now? Of course I do. Of course I do. Look at my buying power right now. My buying power now is up to... Hang on a minute. My buying power now is up to... There you go. My buying power now is up to $9,218. It was down to 2,000 this morning. Now it's up to 9,000. Plenty of buying power should I wish to deploy, and I will. Plenty of money available again. All good at doctor's appointment. Mike is here. Mike's been the doctor's. What's all that about? How is Rolls, Martin? Rolls Royce. Stephen, are you a member? Yeah, you are. I'll take a look in a second then. Millionaire investors haven't been in Barrow since 2008, says Church. Rich investors are betting on double-digit declines. I missed what you said because I was doing the advent calendar. Bloody right, too. Do the advent calendar. Were you banned on Reddit? Do you know what? I'm done with Reddit. I'm absolutely done with Reddit. It's a waste of bloody time. Absolutely the most scammiest platform I've ever been on. I keep getting banned for posting my own content on my own channel. I never engage with anyone. I never message anyone. I simply post on my own platform. And my competitors, which is stupid because they think the other YouTubers think I'm their competitor because I rank #1 for SPCE and Tilray and several other stocks. They think I'm their competitor, which is absolutely stupid because the more of us report on stuff, the better. So they make a complaint, saying my content is spam, even though it's my own videos on my own channel. And when you get a complaint on Reddit, they just ban you, whether you are or not. I'm going to start going around complaining about everyone, so everyone gets banned. By the way, that's a joke. I haven't got the time to be negative. It's absolutely pointless and silly. So I'm done with it. If you want to tweet rubbish on Reddit about me, crack on. It's all good for me anyway. Good publicity is always good. It just doesn't allow me to do my own content and validate what I'm doing. But there you go. I can't be bothered with it. Play around on Reddit. Tweet what you want. I couldn't care less. Absolutely bloody silly. Of course I'm a member. Get on with it. That's my ticket for richness. Stephen Rowe. Of course I'm a bloody member. All right then. Well, there was no need for that, was there? No need for thatness. No. Let's have a look then. Rolls Royce. Bloody hell. Bloody hell's right. Look at this. Rolls Royce. 103. I'm out of Rolls Royce for now because Rolls Royce has been going sideways for far too long. I think it's a great company. I think it will come back. But by the time it does, I've traded 1,000 times on everything else. I haven't got the time to sit around and wait for Rolls. Just basically park your money for the next 5 years. That's what it seems. That's what it feels like at the moment. So, yeah, there's Rolls Royce going nowhere. All right, Stephen. So get off your high horse and deal with it. Quick money, CEI, Queen of Logic, just Queen of Logic. I don't know why I do that. Queen of Self-Braiding. Right, Portfolio looking good today. I'm up 1.2%. I've sold, I've made some profits all over the place, and I'm very happy to do so. All right. How many people through the show this morning? 80 people so far. Portfolio going up. This is my position now. I've got $9,000 on hand to spend, so that's all looking good. As you can see. There you go. Let me bring it into focus so you can see it more clearly. There it is. Look, you can see. Hang on a minute. There you go. That's better. 9,218. 1 year, Martin. Only 1 year. I know. Only 1 year. It's not a long time in the scheme of things. But, you know, at the end of the day, I've got my money working elsewhere at the moment. I'm not saying I'll never go back there, but I just, I'm not there right now. Anyway, let me go and check the advent calendar, because Mark Corn was giving me a hard time a minute ago. He was going, I was doing the advent calendar. So if you haven't done the advent calendar this morning, I can't believe most of you missed it over the weekend. Saturday and Sunday at the same time as normal. Some of you missed it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Call yourself the family. What's going on? Oh, whoops, I just got a shock on the computer. Bloody hell. Just gave myself a shock. Right, there he is. He's true to his word, look. Mark Corn, we can weather the storm together as a family. Yes, we can. Thank you very much, Mark Corn. Appreciate that. Opening the advent calendar. And I've replied back with you with the full playlist of the advent calendar and the Christmas stuff as well. Okay, 10-year plan. Yeah, well, I have a 10-year plan. But right now, I need to make some money to be able to buy more Rolls-Royce if I decide to go back there. Virgin Orbit will make me rich now. Well, Virgin Orbit belongs in two places on my portfolio. It's in my main brokerage account, $863 worth right now because it's gone down. It's also in my Roth IRA as well. As you can see, a man is only as good as his word. You're absolutely right. Let's go back to the main portfolio. We're coming up nicely. Now, when we get a morning like this, when we are up like this, I anticipate a red day. As you know, if we are red in the morning with that nice sort of parabolic dip, that tends to be a green day. This looks like a setup for a red day. But no one can be 100% certain of that. That's never that accurate. But anyway, so VKTX possible scalp. VKTX possible scalp, says Ed Nevius. Let's have a look. Let me Ed Nevius, let me do a trade with you. VKTX. I'm now going to look at this one for Ed Nevius. Let's have a look. Well, already? Or am I too late? Church? Ed Nevius. Is it a scalp? Am I too late to buy it, Ed? It's up 48%. Am I too late, Ed? I'm going to look at taking one of Ed Nevius' tips this morning. Am I too late? Pullback reversal scalp. Oh, a pullback reversal scalp. Okay, so you're expecting it to go back down again. So no, that's not how I trade. If you're, I'm gonna start now doing some of Ed Nevius' tips that he gives us all here in the chat and on Discord in the show live. Okay, so I am looking at doing some Ed Nevius tip. Why? Because I've been watching Ed Nevius now for months, and he's right more often than he's wrong. And I'm going to play the game, have a bit of fun, do it live on the show. Maybe $100 or $200, something like that, of his tips, and set them up for stop trading losses of quick scalps. So there we go. That's a new thing I'm going to look at doing. So Ed, send me the information when you get it, and I will jump on it. If you think it's a quick scalp going to go up today on anything like that, I want to have some fun. CII, says Church. SPCE, says Church. Let's have a little look. Camber Energy. Oh, this one. I remember this one before. It's already up 110%. So, obviously, I'm assuming you wouldn't be buying that now. Thank you. CII Heavy Volume. It's already up, though, 110%. 13 cents a share. Though, where was it? I mean, that to me, is that just a bankrupt company? What's all that about? 6 cents a share. Bloody hell. Where has it been? Where has this stock been in the past? Not that that matters. Not that that matters at all. Completely irrelevant. Completely irrelevant. It was $1,400. Do not look back there. Yep. So, we're up today. We've taken some profits. We've sold Tesla. We've sold Virgin Galactic. We've sold lots of stuff today. And there we go. Right then. We've got 30 watching. We want 30 likes in fact, we want 30 likes in 1 minute, and then I won't run a commercial break. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. 1 minute on the clock. 30 likes. Let's do it. Let's bring it into focus. Smash the like button. And here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's get 30 likes, and then there'll be no commercial break. Said a whoop, chicky, pow, pow. Said a whoop, chicky, pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up, say please stand up. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, 30 seconds to go, 3 more likes, and no commercial break. What's going to happen? Smash the like button. There we go. Just a few more seconds to go. 20 seconds to go. Will we get to 30 likes before? And then there'll be no commercial break. Running out of time. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Is there going to be a commercial break? We need 30 likes in a couple of seconds. 28, 29. Time's up. Oh, too late. Right on the button. We've got 29 likes. Just a couple short. Just a couple of short. There you go. It's now 29. All right, so we're going to go to a quick commercial break. In 10 seconds, I'll be right back. And you can skip the ad or watch it, whatever you like. You ready? Okay, here we go. See you back in 10 seconds. And we are back in the house. Cash giveaway coming up on Friday, as is every Friday. Double your money Twitter opportunity this week again. Giving you opportunities to win extra money again this week. So there we go. Here's my portfolio up to date. It's Santa Rally Week. That's why I'm wearing the red jacket of Santa Claus. Oh, yes. And we got the Christmas tree here as well. We got Santa's hat on the top of my guitar. Ready to rock and roll. I get no ads. No, it's because you're on a mobile, or you're on or you got ad blocker, or you got premium, or you're on an iPad. One of those things. You are one of those things. Do you really think there will be a rally? I think there could be some kind of rally, yes. And I'll be trimming off and then buying back lower. Doing some tax harvesting, of course. Trying to reduce my tax. But take some profits, lower my averages, protect my portfolio for another year. Trying to buy at 330, the S&P 500. Where are your Meta in terms of trimming? Meta, I sold my Meta. There you go. I sold my Meta. I made, 6% profit. And I'm looking to buy it back. It's down 2% today, which is perfect. Dunkey. Good morning, Dunkey. How are you this morning? So there you go. Good choice. Thank you very much indeed. Yeah, I sold all my Meta. I sold some Tesla. I've got plenty of Tesla to trim. I've got plenty of Virgin Galactic to trim. So I've done that. I've lowered my averages. I've made some profits. I feel very, very good about it. So there you go. Rivian. Lucid, I've got buys at $7. Arrival, we're just watching it for fun. Amazon, I've got some orders at 85. Still very expensive, remember. Amazon's very expensive, but it's going to go forward. I've got buys at 130 for Apple. Still expensive, but it's coming down. McDonald's, these are the defensive stocks now. This is where the money's going, but I'm holding my money there. Coca-Cola, it's all going up. All the defensive stocks are going up like that. Google is one of the best value stocks, like Meta was for me. So I've got my position there. Looking to buy more at, I think it's 83. Yes. That's my new low. Microsoft, I'm up 5%. Happy with that. SoFi. IonQ. Walmart. I've sold my Walmart. I took a 16.5% profit. You can see on the screen, look, 16.93% profit. So there you go. Happy with that. I've got a dividend about to be paid January the 3rd as well. So that will go through because I've still got my position there. Looking to buy Walmart. Now, why did I sell Walmart? Because the spending, the economy's cooling, and I don't think Walmart is going to have such a great Christmas. I think people are spending less. So I think even though we've popped up now, I think we're going to go down in January. Unless, of course, they report a boom for December. I can't see it personally. That's not what we expect at all. Just bought 100 shares of that CEI, and I'm selling put contracts, hedging in case I lose my $12. Very nice indeed. I've got to talk to you about options. Overall portfolio is up. The S&P 500 is coming up. Trying to buy some more. Virgin Galactic, just 12 minutes to go. Would the same be true for Apple then as well? Yeah, I mean, Apple is a great company. You always own it, all right? In my book, you always own it. It pays a decent dividend. It's got a great future, but it's expensive. It's expensive, no question about it. It's what they call old man investments. People that bought, a million years ago, just hold it forever, never sell it. Martin, did you just send me a friend request on Discord? Nope. There, right. If you look in the scam, if it's a scam alert, Mark, please don't ask me that question because I want you to know how to identify the real me. On Discord, all you've got to do is look. My name will be in gold because that's the color of the owner, and look at my role. Is my role owner? Just click on the role and see my role. If I'm owner, then you know it's me. All right, but be very careful. I did actually report another scam on Discord. They're banned already, so don't worry about that. But of course, once they message you, that's got nothing to do with my server. They can message you all they like. But yes, I reported a scam the other day. Here it is. I'll put it on the screen. Is this the person going around right now? I just banned Martyn Lucas 8337. That's the number. That's not my number. Okay? And you see how I'm in gold? See, look, you're all in white. I'm in gold because I'm the owner. And also, if you click on my role, it says owner. If you just right click on it, you'll see, look, roles, I'm the owner. See, in gold, here. All right, that's how you know it's me. But yeah, there's lots of scammers, lots of people all the time trying to pretend to be me, trying to sell you stuff, and it never is. So be very, very careful. Yeah, you all will. Just you know who the real me is, because I never message you. I only message you, reply to you, and give you the cash rewards for when you win prizes and stuff like that. Anyway, he sent me the other day. I sent him a finger. Yeah. Anyway, be very, very careful, folks. I never sell you anything. Unless it's my, want to buy a mug. Want to buy a mug? And the thing is, the scammers always do the same thing. They're never selling you my merchandise. In fact, just in case some scammer's listening thinking, all right, I'll sell you merchandise then, and I'll never send it out. Just realise I don't ever message you, okay? That was a bad joke. Now someone's going to go, I'm going to message everybody and try and sell them your mugs. Oh, my God. Anyway. Virgin Galactic waiting for another pullback. Virgin Orbit, 10 minutes to go. I've got buy orders all over the place for a red day. And we're all good. I feel very confident in my portfolio right now. So Tesla is going up now. Why it had a 5% bounce earlier, I think it was 5%, 4.5%. The reason for that is, again, it's like the stock market is just like a pop. The companies are great. The share price is a popularity contest, right? Tesla, Elon Musk says, and people can see that people are voting for him to step down as CEO, and everyone regards that as a great thing. I regard it as a great thing, but because of some stupid little poll about leaving Twitter, everyone now is buying back in. Well, not everyone, but some people are buying back in. Cathie Wood has just bought a load of Tesla on this sort of excitement that Elon Musk is going to focus back on Tesla. It's ridiculous. The company's still doing what it's doing. Anyway, whatever. Just presents opportunity, doesn't it? Anyway, 107 through the show so far. Let's see if we've got any more advent calendars to open. If you've not yet opened the advent calendar for this morning, there it is in the chat. Let me just check. No more comments this morning. No. Okay. I hope people buy loads in Tesla, then my return is larger. Yes, indeed. Indeed. That's why I hold 58 shares of Tesla. I've only sold 3 this morning. That's all. I intend to buy some more if it goes below to around 140. Hello all, good morning. Late to the show. Krytol, good morning to you. You've missed a lot this morning. I've sold about $10,000 worth of shares. I've trimmed off the top. I've got much more money now in my buying power, and if you want to rewind it, if you want to see what I buy before I buy it, what I'm selling before I sell it, my Discord premium is $2 a month, and you will see at 5 o'clock in the morning what I'm setting up to sell at 6 o'clock in the morning. There you go. Sid, still in the red with the most of my stocks except Coca-Cola and Unilever. The reason for that, Sid, is everyone's buying defensive stocks because they're fearing the market's going down. That's why Coca-Cola is going up. It's a good time to be in. I'm not saying you shouldn't trim some off the top if you've got too much of it. Obviously, balance is out of whack. But don't forget, you do receive a good dividend that's always paid out and always gone up. So that's not bad as well. Someday I'll hold for now or buy when it gets to my lowest. Very, very wise. If you've got Coca-Cola and it goes to your all-time low, why wouldn't you buy it? For me, Coca-Cola, my next buy on Coca-Cola is $54. I don't think it will go there, but if it does go to $54 in a flash crash or a moment of instant selling, it happens all the time. You've seen it happen all the time when suddenly an insider will dump their stocks. They get to the point where they go, look, I've made loads of money on Coke. I'm retiring tomorrow. I've got 1 million shares to sell. We see it all the time. Always worth having a limit buy. But remember though, it will go through. So it's not play money. If you go right, if Coca-Cola goes to $1, I'm going to buy 1 million. It will try to buy 1 million if the money's in your account. All right. So for me, that's absolutely right, because Coca-Cola, what we call old man stocks, J&J, McDonald's, stuff like that. You could have somebody in the company or somebody with a huge amount of money suddenly go, do you know what? I'm selling all my Coke because I'm retiring and I just want a load of cash in the bank. And that's when all of a sudden it'll just go boom. It'll come straight back up again because somebody will buy it. and one of those people will be me. That's the point. So always set, in my book anyway, a ridiculously low price. It's still expensive, but it's my all-time low. I can't say, well, yeah, Coca-Cola's only worth $30. I want to pay $30. That isn't going to happen. It is not going to happen. Don't limit buy on Virgin Orbit. Don't limit buy on Virgin Orbit. Why is that? Robinhood will steal your money. No, limit. You must limit buy. You mean, church? What you did, you tried to buy without a limit, and you ended up because of the low volume, you ended up paying too much. You mean do a limit buy, right? That way you pay the right price. That's what I think what you meant to say. Anyway. Yeah, you're right. I keep saying that. Yeah, the other way round. I have to keep translating for you. Don't worry about that, mate. I mean, it's only my live show. I have to think about what you're trying to say, not just what I'm trying to say, what you're trying to say. It's very important. Right, we're just a few minutes to go now before the bell goes. We've got a good audience this morning, 36 in the chat. Let's go to a very quick commercial break. Very, very quick. I say very quick. It's 10 seconds. It's the same time as always. Here we go. Kryto says, it's the Martyn and Church show. There you go. Absolutely right. SoFi hold, yes. I'm holding my SoFi, yes. Good morning to everybody over there on TikTok. If you want to be part of our main show and you want to talk to me live on the show, you want to be in our cash prize giveaways, I give away the money I make on my YouTube video every Friday. If you want to call into the show, video call in, talk to all my investors, see what everyone's buying, get more information than you can get on TikTok. What this is on TikTok, this is my phone looking at my YouTube broadcast. That's what you're looking at. This is what my YouTubers are seeing. It's a far better experience for them. That's why there's a delay. Let's say there's a 10-second delay. If you want to join me, it's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor, or the same name as this channel, links in the profile, or just go on to YouTube and type in Martyn Lucas Investor. Very, very easy. All right. Yes, no eTORO or plus 500 ads. Lovely jubbly, says Stephen Rowe. No, LOL, it's the best. It's the Martyn and Church show. It's your show, says Mike. Hoping Virgin Orbit will do well. Yes, we all hope that, or anyone who invests in it does, right? Unless you were shorter, of course. Right. Okay. It's setting itself up for a drop. So that's exactly why I took profits. Exactly why I've got orders to buy lower. I'm very happy with my positions. We're all good. Let's get ready to go. 1.5 minutes to go. Let's see how it all plays out today. Are you ready? Going to be another interesting day. If you're watching me and you want to be part of our Discord, here is Discord, completely free. You only pay the premium for my one-on-one exclusive channel at the top of the Discord. What I'm buying, what I'm selling before I go on air, and what I do after I'm on air as well. Okay, for the next day. All right, here we go. 1 minute to go. Let's bring in the clock. You sold Space and Tesla. Why? I just joined. You need to hear the whole story. I've added to my position. I've taken some profits. I've still got 2,100. I'm buying more Virgin Galactic. I still want to buy all the shares. Nothing has changed. I just trimmed, took profit. I'm tax harvesting. All kinds of things going on at once here. All right, here we go. I've got buy orders in place to buy lower. I want to get it for 350 next. Don't ask why, it's about time. Oh yes. Just like Elon Musk selling Tesla, just like Branson selling Virgin Galactic. Still all about the company, still all in. Nothing has changed. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're off and running with 38,900. Where are we going to go now? If we go up, I win. I'll trim some more. If we go down, I'll win because I'll buy some more. Good. We're going down, which is kind of what I want, really. As I say, if it goes up, I don't really do much. I just sit here. I want it to go down. I'm curious how you can sell space and get profit when it's low. Very easily. Because I bought space at 406 and I sold it at 416. That's how. I've got to do a lot selling, of course, but I will do that. Virgin Orbit's going up. Tesla is up at the moment. Rivian going down. I've got an order for Rivian at 22. Very close for Rivian now. Lucid, I've got an order for 7. Arrival, you're welcome, Sid. Amazon, waiting to buy it at 85. Apple, waiting to buy it at 130. Virgin Orbit just shot up. Virgin Galactic, there we go. Come on, Virgin Galactic, go to 350. I've got a buy to buy at 350. Let me buy it back in again. I want to buy S&P 500 at 330 as well. Even if I buy it now, it lowers my average. So even if I buy it now, not 330. But I'm going to wait. Going to have patience. Tesla. I want to buy it below 150. 140 is my next buy-in. Rivian. 22 is my next buy-in. How many am I buying at 22? 10. Lucid, I'm buying at 7. Amazon, I'm buying at 85. Apple, I'm buying at 130. Robinhood, I'm buying at 8. McDonald's, I'm just holding. Coca-Cola, I'm just holding. I thought you meant the S&P at... No. Actual view itself. J&J 175, I'm holding. Google, I'm buying at 83, I think it is. Microsoft, I'm holding, looking to buy there. Meta, I took my profit. I made 6.5% profit, I think. I'm waiting to buy Meta below 100 again. In fact, I'm waiting to buy it at 87. SoFi, waiting to buy it at 4. IonQ, waiting to buy it at 3. Walmart, waiting to buy Walmart back. Rivian purchased. Rivian has just gone through. We've got a buy at 22. Rivian has just gone through at 22. So we just bought in at 22. 10 shares at 22. Buy Rivian, limit order 21. 10 shares at 21. Good for the day, good till cancelled, allow, review. Okay, buy at 21. There we go. That's Rivian set up again. Let's go back to Tesla. We want to buy it below 150 now. I can't sell CI or VTL on my broker. Damn it, says Stephen Rowe. Virgin Orbit. Bouncing up and down. Virgin Galactic. Here we go. So I sold this morning. I bought at 406 and sold at 416. I'm now looking to buy at anything under 4. Doesn't have to be 350. because we'll get a little bounce back. We always do. 390, 380. I'll start chiseling in. I want my average to come down to 450. I'm at 489 right now. Roll the credits, seeing red today again. Let's have a look. Ethereum today is up slightly. Bitcoin is down 0.1. BSV is up 1.7. Enphase Energy is up 2%. Waiting for a pullback. Tilray. Oops, wrong end of the live. Tilray Brands is down 8% overall, down 2.76. I'm not buying any more. I'm out of it at the moment. Woohoo! Mario J. Ortiz is watching me on Facebook. Mario, come into YouTube. It's better for me. I don't get any benefit from anyone watching on Facebook. The purpose of Facebook is for new people to find me to come and join us on YouTube. Being on YouTube doesn't actually help the channel at all. Just so you know. If you prefer it on Facebook, you do what's best for you. I'm just saying. I'd love you to be on YouTube. If you want to share it on Facebook and get more people in, that'd be great. Target is down 2. Walmart, waiting to buy more. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic and see where we are now, 405. It's not low enough yet for my next move. Virgin Orbit going down. Tesla, 150. Stocks open little change as investors mull recession risks, says Church of Logic. We're looking down now. Got a buy order at 4 for Space as well. Very nice indeed. Way to play it. Perfect. Is that your all-time low? That's what you want. Tilray is a $3 buy. Tilray. Back to Tilray right now. 316. I just don't want any more. This is an all-time low for me, probably. 319, yeah. 319. So just delays, that's all it is. Virgin Galactic 406. I'm really excited about Tesla. If I can get Tesla for 140, I will. I'll buy those 3 shares back that I just sold for 157. The Association of Home Builders survey, which gauges monthly sentiment, is due out on Monday. Investors will also be watching a few earning reports due later in the week. FedEx and Nike are both scheduled to report earnings reports on Tuesday after market close. That's right. Thank you ever so much, Church. It's a huge imbalance to fill at $3. Thank you, Stephen Rowe. The S&P 500 is down 0.14, down 5.58. NASDAQ is 52. Let me just share on the screen with you so you can see exactly what I'm seeing. And the Russell is down 0.12. Lloyd's War Committee says ideal ship reassurance will be harder. A little bit of news there for you just coming in. Tesla still going down, still trying to bounce back up again. Virgin Galactic didn't go any lower. So I win if it goes down. I win if it goes up. I really don't mind. I'm fully invested. I don't mind. Just trimming all the time, protecting the base, protecting the foundations. Coming back up again. I'd like to see Virgin Galactic go below 4. Tesla, waiting to buy that as well. Rivian, I got to 22 this morning. So we can trim off some Tesla, some Rivian in a minute. Perhaps I didn't buy that enough really to make any much of a difference as far as trimming off. I bought 10 shares. That's all. So far now I've made like $2. That's all on that. It's not worth doing that. But Lucid trying to buy it at 7. Arrival. Amazon trying to buy it at 85. Apple went down to 134. Robinhood. McDonald's is going up again. Nice. Up nearly 10% now. Defensive money is going into these stocks. Coca-Cola's up as well. It's flying away. I've got a very nice position there. It's nearly 5% of my portfolio. I don't need to buy it. I'm not going to buy it at this price. It's very, very expensive now. I'm up 6 and nearly 7% on it. I'm enjoying the dividends. It's all good. J&J. I would trim a bit off actually, but I don't own enough to trim it off. Google coming back up. Microsoft. Meta, looking for Meta to go down to 80, sort of mid-80s. Here's some information from Ed Nevius. VKTX in 550 risk, 0.15 target, 5.8 then 6. That's just coming from Ed Nevius. Third target is 635. How many people with us right now? Good morning to all of you. If you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome, welcome. We've sold some Virgin Galactic this morning, and we've also sold some Tesla, but we're buying it back. We've trimmed off the top. We're tax harvesting. There we go. Exactly why I did it. Subscribe and ring the bell. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're here. And we'd love to have you in the show. Guarantee, should I hold or sell my Tilray stocks? It depends on your portfolio, what your balance is. Guarantee. Let's welcome Guarantee to the house. I can review the stock for you and go in depth if you become a member. It's a member's perk. It's the invitation to join. You will see that we've got 95% of our live viewers are members, the highest engagement rate on YouTube. More people are members to our show. Live viewers who are members, 95%. The average on YouTube is 8 to 9%. So consider that. You can also speak to all my traders off air as well on Discord. That's free if you want to do that. There's the Discord link for you. All right. And if you want to communicate with me on any issue, the all links button, which is below the video or on the screen going past in the ticker. Up to 75 cents now, says Church of Logic. 30 likes so far. Let's have a little look. There's 41 watching right now. We're going up now. I knew a lot of people would be concerned about me saying I've sold my Virgin Galactic, but you can see why. Here we go. I've still got 2,100 shares of Virgin Galactic. Ali Tisro, I'm glad you're here. I did a rebalance of my portfolio. It is Santa Rally Week. I've sold $10,000 worth of shares, all at a profit, trimmed off the top, and I'm also looking at tax losses as well to do that for that benefit. I sold some shares of Virgin Galactic for a profit, and I'm now buying back lower. Tesla, I sold some shares of Tesla and I'm buying back for a profit. I sold Walmart for 16% up. I'm buying back for a profit. And Photronics I sold for a profit as well. Enphase Energy I sold for a profit as well. Everything. I didn't sell anything for a loss. I'm looking to buy back lower. Okay. When you get time, let me know your thoughts on energy and more specifically, DVN. Dunkey, I will. Let me have a quick look for you. Waiting to buy Virgin Galactic and Tesla. First and second target hit. Ed Nevius. I'm too late for that one now then that Ed Nevius just posted. VKTX in 550. Thank you, Ed, for that. Tesla's going back up. Sold some Tesla this morning at 6 o'clock this morning before I came on air. If you want to know what I'm buying before I buy and what I'm selling before I sell, It's in my Discord Premium. Discord is free, but if you want to get my exclusive channel, what I do at 5 o'clock in the morning when I'm having a shower and I'm cleaning my teeth before the pre-market, I'm in there making my positions, and I've sold some this morning. And I'm glad I did. Took some profits. I'm now looking to buy Virgin Galactic below $4. Virgin Orbit. I sold this morning, Church. Tesla. Rivian. We bought 10 shares at 22. We're waiting to buy at 21. Lucid. Arrival. Amazon, trying to buy at 85. I sold my Meta. Made a profit on that as well. Waiting to buy Apple at 130. Robinhood. Waiting to buy at 7. Our defensive stocks are soaring. People are buying into these. Buy space at 3. Well, what I'll do is I'll buy it. I've got a buy order at 350, and again, I'll lower my average considerably at 350. It'll probably then go up to 360, 370, 380, and I'll take the profit from that, and then I'll use that to buy back at 3. That's you are the greatest, best YouTube channel ever, KK2. Do you realize that KK2 has been a gold member from the beginning? One of our very, very loyal family members here. Martyn, when are you going to do 10% crypto? I still don't feel comfortable about it, Ali. I don't feel comfortable about it. Me and you can have a private conversation off air if you want to talk to me more or why I feel that way, but I still don't feel comfortable at this point. More selling off, says Churchy. Nice Jack. Do we got some Jack Slaps? We got a guest just turned up. Just sold FKTX, 33% profit, 3,000. Wow, look at that, 3872. What a fantastic profit that was. Jack Slaps, congratulations, by the way. Absolutely awesome. Maybe you'd like to become a member of our channel. It's only a couple of bucks a month. What do you reckon? And you get 20 times back what you put in. Ask Ed Nevius. Ask everyone. That's why 95% of our live viewers are members. There's the invitation to join. Cash giveaways every Friday. Here's the Advent calendar. If you've not signed it this morning, it's a 20-second video. 20 seconds. Open the door. Leave a Christmas message, and I'll read it out on the show. And, of course, tonight, we have another world premiere. Tonight is... I think it's Let It Snow, Dean Martin. There is the Christmas premiere tonight. I've posted it 3 times in the chat. Let's have a quick look at it. This is it. Let's Let It Snow tonight. Now then, go over there and leave a like. We've only got 4 likes right now. Smash the like, leave a comment below. It's Let It Snow. Premieres in 6 hours from now. 15 minutes after the closing bell. Right, we're going down. Now, if we go down today, we win. If we go up today, we win. Either way, I'm happy. Let's scroll back down. Martyn, when are you going to buy 10% crypto? I've answered that already. Just never know when farm is going to pop. Never. Always very difficult. What would be advantages on the Discord membership again? Basically, when I am buying stocks and when I am selling stocks, before I make them, before I come on air, if I feel like this morning, I did my accounts last night and I decided to sell Virgin Galactic, and I did. And before I do it, I post in that premium. I think it's $2 a month, and then you know what I'm buying before I buy it, and you know what I'm selling before I sell it. Whereas during the show, I do it live. But if in the I'm up at 5 a.m. in the morning, and the pre-market that I can sell is 6 a.m. An hour and a half before I come online, I sold $10,000 worth of shares this morning before I came on air. I've already done it, so I've already made my profits, and I'm already about to buy back. So you would have known that if you were a Discord premium subscriber, and there'll be other perks and benefits as well. All right. So anyway, there it is. There it is. It's a monthly thing. You can always cancel it if you don't like it. But don't take it as financial advice. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I am doing. And I announced this morning that I was doing Virgin Galactic, Tesla. I did Meta a couple of days ago. I took profit on all of those. Photronics, Walmart, all of that. Right, now then, $3.99. We are looking to buy some more Virgin Galactic now. We've got a buy at $3.50. Brickmark, wow, gone so quickly. Still enjoying it. Brickmark has been a member for 5 months. Excellent stuff. Your green badge will turn yellow soon, and most of you should be gold today, tomorrow, any minute, any second. Some of you, Ali Tisro, I think he's been a gold member since the beginning, but his badge is yellow. I think Bill was here first as well. Bill is still yellow. It'll turn gold probably today or tomorrow, any day now. I can't tell you the exact day, but I know it was mid-December. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit popped up, nice. Tesla, waiting to buy more. I want to put more into VU as well. 330 would be my buy-in, my all-time low. Let's go over now to our... Yes, we have another Advent calendar message. Thank you very much indeed for clicking the Advent calendar. No more snow, says Bill. There you go. If you leave a message on the Advent calendar, I read your comment out on the screen. Brickmark has been a member now for 5 months. Thank you very much indeed. Whee! Celebrate. Basic materials and minerals are the new gold, in my opinion, says Ed Nevius. We're still going down now. We're getting some drops now. Again, down 1.62 overall. But I took my profits out of those stocks, or some of those shares anyway. We're waiting to buy S&P at 330, Virgin Galactic 398. Virgin Orbit up now. Tesla 152. Rivian, my next order is 2021, I believe. Yeah, 21. I bought some shares at 22 this morning. I could trim those off if I wanted to. Lucid, I'm buying at 7. Arrival. Amazon, very close now. It's still very expensive, but I'm lowering my averages. I want to get more Amazon. I believe in Amazon. I want to buy at 85. I should believe in Amazon. I've been buying Christmas presents on it. Anyway, 85. I'm going to buy some Amazon. Wonder if it will get there today. Very close. I could manually jump in now. My last price was 87.28. See, it's not that cheap and not that much of a difference. I want to get it for 85. I'm not gonna just go 86. No point. I want Apple at 130. Robinhood coming up. McDonald's up. Defensive stocks taking all the money. J&J down, going up. Google, fantastic value. Microsoft, fantastic value. Meta getting cheaper, 116. I took my profit. I'm going to buy it back around the 80. If it gets there, it may or may not do so. Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our Santa Rally week. Will we have a Santa Rally? Has it been cancelled? Well, whether it is or whether it isn't, I said I would do it, and I'm doing it, and here I am. It's a Santa Rally week. Anyway, let me see if anyone has left a message. Oh, there we go. We've got 5 likes now on tonight's Christmas premiere. Thank you very much indeed. Stephen Rowe left a message. Thank you, Stephen. Appreciate that very much indeed in the chat. Thank you for that. Right, today it's water aerobics today, and we are expecting a cold blast to come through Texas in the next week or so. So I need to make sure I can go as much as I can before it gets shut down, because it will do. People don't like the cold in Texas; they can't cope with it. Anyway. Ryan, the classic. Give me some positive news on space, please. Ha ha. Yeah, Ryan. We're all on Virgin Galactic. I'm fully committed. Exactly the same, but I've taken profits. I'm lowering my averages. That's exactly what we're doing right now. The news won't come out until January, February. We've always said that. And because of that, we now live in a world of Reddit and tweets and nonsense and silly stuff. I've had so many people message me because I rank #1 for the SPCE stock search term on YouTube. So many people say to me, why on earth why has it been delayed again? And it hasn't. But people are tweeting it and they're shorting it and they're driving the stock, and it's great. I love it because I just keep buying it cheaper and I keep taking profits along the way. It's I'm happy to do it. I'm happy to do it. So Anyway, let's see how low we can get it. I'm going to buy some more Virgin Galactic shares live on air right now, I think, actually. I might do it again right now. So let's do a commercial break. And when I come back, I think I'm going to buy some more Virgin Galactic live on the show. You ready? Okay, here we go. Skip the ad. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back once again. Let's have a look. Target price hit. Out. Let's go, says Ed Nevius. Brilliant. 397. There's two things I want to buy now. Tesla back at 140. I've still got 58 shares. SPCE, I've still got 2,100. 396. Limit order. So 398 to make sure I get it at this price. 100. So there we go. 398. 100. Review the order. I'm going to wait for it to dip to 397 again, or 396, and I'll go buy. And I've got an order at 350 and then 3. I want to see my I want to see my average cost come down to there we go, 397. There we go. It went through at 398. Done. Okay. Just bought some more Virgin Galactic at 398. My average is now 485. So, if we can pop up to 320, 330, I'll sell some. I will sell those. And I've got the order placed for 350. Yep. This week being the last of the 4, either announce the flight schedule for week 2 or if they need time to fix it. Given that we haven't heard anything, this shows another delay. It doesn't in my book. It doesn't, Alex. Not in my book, it doesn't. People are very anxious, very nervous. I'm not nervous. They're very impatient. It's a rocket company. I'm not nervous at all. I just see it as an opportunity. Martyn, do you know way before you decide to sell shares, all this time you could have waited for it to drop this low instead of you kept buying down? Because at the end of the day, church, I know that it's worth $100 a share. I don't care if it's 3, 4, 5. In hindsight, you could keep saying, of course, why don't you just wait for it to go, to the all-time low? No one knows what the all-time low is. It doesn't matter. It's still great value for me. I don't care. Martyn, you do know way before you decided to sell shares, all this time you could be waiting for it to drop this low. Instead, you kept buying down. Doesn't matter. As I buy it, and I'll trade it and then buy some more when it goes lower. It doesn't matter. Yeah, exactly. Argument is, what if it never went below 5? Exactly. No one knows. All you got to do is there's 3 things to think about. First of all, you research the company and you know the company's good, right? You've done that, and I've done that. Virgin Galactic is good, right? And I know it's going to be $100 a share. I've done that. I'm done. Until that fundamentals change, nothing changes, right? So I've got my long-term position. That's why I've got 2,200 shares, right? I mean, I've got plenty of shares. It's 10%, over 10.5% of my portfolio. Then I've got my mid-term shares and I've got my scalp shares. And all I'm trying to do is take profits along the way, no matter how small those profits are, sell for small profits, lower the average all the time. So eventually I'll have free shares. Eventually the whole thing will be free. And then trim as it starts to go up. And that's all good. Yeah, that's where I am. If you see a trend, it's very easy to tell if the stock will pop. I don't agree. If we knew that, church, you'd be a millionaire. We'd all be millionaires and everybody be millionaires. You guys play the market with a hunch too much. Not really. No, I don't at all. There's no hunch or guesswork or gambling here whatsoever. All I'm trying to do, it's a very simple structure. I have decided I am an investor of Virgin Galactic. I believe in Virgin Galactic. I invest in Virgin Galactic. All I'm doing is buying it when it goes cheaper. I don't care or know how low it's going to go. I just buy it when it goes cheaper, and I trim at the right time for whatever reason, and to keep it in balance of my portfolio. Then I can buy some more if it goes lower. That way I'm covering if it goes up. I'm covering it if it goes down. I mean, if it suddenly went up today, I've got 2,200 shares, my highest level I've ever had, to go up and make money. If it goes down, I'm ready to buy some on the way down. I win either way round if I believe in the company. Did something happen to space? No. It's just the internet is full of Twitters and Redditors saying it's all going to zero. I had so many messages over the weekend. And this is why I sold some and at a profit, and I've just bought back some more, because the negativity is driving the stock price down. Everyone's making up stories that there's a delay. There's no evidence. Now, I'm not saying there's not a delay, but people are making up stories because they've not heard anything. Like you feel you have the right for Michael Cole-Glazier to message you personally and tell you that they're working on the rockets and there's a delay. You've got no right to tell you anything. All they got to do is report on the earnings reports, and they do that. I'm not concerned. So anyway, Space showed nothing to give you the right to think it was going to $10. What do you mean? Of course it does. Of course it does. The customers have bought the tickets. Do you believe in space flight? Do you believe in space tourism? Do you believe that Virgin Galactic is the most efficient way of doing it? I do. Do you believe that the balloon ride is the better option? I don't. Do you believe there's people in the world who will buy tickets to fly with Virgin Galactic? I do. Do you believe people can afford it? Yeah, I do. They've sold the tickets. They've got the brand. They know what they're doing. I've got no doubt about it. So, anyway, there you go. I totally understand where church is coming from, and to a certain extent I agree, but I am fed up of missing the pumps because I'm waiting for the all-time low as I eat my dinner. Absolutely, everyone does. Everyone's trying to buy the lowest possible price. I don't care about that. I don't care about the lowest possible price at all. I agree with Martin, says Krytol. There we go. See, everyone does it their own way. You got to just do what's good for you, right? Do what makes you happy. Martin, space will fall to $3 if there is a delay. Great. Go to $3 then. Brilliant. Go to $3. I feel that although my average is higher, at least I am in. I am ready. I don't need to worry daily, and I'm waiting to buy. Exactly right, Shad. Do what's right for your portfolio. A good company is worth the investment, and not go in and out all the time. Exactly. But Krytol, I don't have an endless bottom of money. I can't keep buying all the way down. If my last investment of Virgin Galactic now pops up to 410, 420, I will sell those and trim those off to make that profit. So I ultimately am getting free shares all the time. All right. Once a week, you should buy a stock that is down over 10% in 1 week's time, says Church. The market cap of space is about equal to the cash they have in the bank now. That's what I've said over and over again. You're basically getting the company for free. You're getting the cash that's in the bank. It's absolutely insane. I've said that time and time again. And then somebody will say to me, yeah, but hang on a minute, they're burning the cash. They're not burning the cash. They're investing the cash building rockets. So they're not burning the cash. Yet base hits add up, and every now and then a grand slam gets them home. Ed Nevius. HBO, the Thursday, Branson, the docuseries is all about Virgin Galactic. Interesting timing. HBO, this Thursday, right? What is this? What is this you are reading now then? Let me read this. HBO, I need to check this, Jerry Mooney. HBO, this Thursday... Virgin Galactic. All right, I will check that out then. Check that out. If you have an unlimited cash and steady income coming in, then you can buy the knives. This is basic stuff we should do before losing money every day. Indeed, Count Chuckler, but they also burn the cat. I knew someone was going to say that. Happens with companies, stories get made and pushes the stock down. Yep. How could you sell a profit when it's an all-time lows? Easy. I sell the shares that I bought for 406 and I sold for 4016. That's all. I've got just lot sale. Very, very easy. Of course I can make a profit. I just sell the shares that I bought for 406. Easy. That's how they invest. Otherwise you miss out. Correct? I think you're both right. The Church of Logic will make more money. The Church of Logic will make more money daily, weekly, but may miss some bigger opportunities. Martyn Lucas Investor is right to the point. He is in and he is holding. I invested in Space as well and will be holding to and buying the dip, said Sid. Nothing wrong with trimming, exactly. Now at least 1,500 shares. Very nice. Tony Smith. Hey, I'm new here. What website is this guy? Is that you using to buy Virgin Galactic? Tony Smith, welcome to the channel. My name is Martyn Lucas, world piano man and full-time trader and investor here on YouTube. This is my TV studio. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I am using Robinhood. Where are you? Are you in the UK or the US? Or where are you? Because if you are in the US, I can give you some free stocks from Robinhood. Just let me know and I will share everything with you. We're trying to be the best YouTube channel in the world, most honest, real, and we have the highest engagement rate of any channel. More live viewers and members here than any other channel. We are 95% of our live viewers are members. Right, I'm trying to read everyone's comments as well. USA, fantastic. Well, would you like some free stocks from me? I have a referral from Robinhood, and if you use my referral, you get free stocks, and I will share with you what I get as well. How about that? Do you already have Robinhood? If not, I will share with you. Right, $3.95. Tesla, waiting to buy more. Where are the losses this morning? Finished wrapping the kids' presents. Wish they liked the S&P 400. Wish they liked the S&P 500. Brilliant. Okay. So for the benefit of our guest this morning, would everybody please welcome Tony Smith in to our show this morning. Lovely to have him here. Put your cities and countries in the chat. And I'm from Dallas, Texas, in my studio anyway, but I'm originally from Cornwall in the United Kingdom. Lovely to have you here. If you want to access Discord and talk to all our traders, investors, and see all their top tips and what they're doing right now, not right now, thank you. Okay, fair enough. There is the Discord channel if you want to be part of that. If you want to be a member, here is the invitation to become a member if you want to be part of that. And I've got a little, I've got a little gift for you as well. Every morning we have an advent calendar, a 20-second Christmas surprise. Here it is. If you want to sign the advent calendar, there it is. And tonight's premiere, after the closing bell, is Let It Snow. Dean Martin, I'm singing that one tonight. There is there is the Christmas premiere tonight in the chat. Okay. And I'm very passionate about Virgin Galactic. I've worked for Sir Richard Branson on the Virgin Experiences. Thanks, Leah. Coffee's here, Mike. Ah, lovely. And also, I went to the Virgin Orbit Space Station earlier. I'm going to the Virgin Galactic Space Station later in the year. Next year, rather. We're going to have a convention there. And I ranked number 1 on the search term for Virgin SPCE stock on YouTube. And I'm trying to buy all the shares of Virgin Galactic when I release a single all about the music and all about the flights of Virgin Galactic. Right, 86. We're very, very close to buying more Amazon. We're very, very close to buying more Apple. Why number one buys out the company? Cheap, cheap, cheap. A day's work for the big boys. What does that mean? Konstantinos Kotis. Why number 1 buy out the company? I don't understand what you mean by that. Ask the question again. I'll try and answer it for you. Amazon, we're trying to buy some more this morning. Apple, very close to buys. If I knew 20 years ago what I know now, you should be putting £50 or £100 in S&P for your kids now and then be set. Absolutely right. Or dump all the money you can now, and that's even better. That's what I did. I believe in that. If you can. Elon Musk could just pour $1 billion and buy all the shares. Yeah. What, a Virgin Galactic? S&P 500. Virgin Galactic's now coming up. So when I get to like 410, something like that, I will sell the shares I bought this morning for $3.98. $4. Here we go. Let's see if we can sell those. And what I'll do, I'll set a stop trail loss. If we get to 410, I will set a stop trail loss and I will sell the shares I bought at $3.98. And I'll put a stop trail loss on it. And if it keeps on going up, I'll do it that way. I'll trim that way. And then I'll buy it at $3.50 when it goes back down again. AXLA added to watch list. No entries yet. Okay, here we go. Top tip from our top tipper, Ed Nevius. AXLA. Oops, already up 208%. Oh my gosh. Okay. No list, no watch list. Yeah. Okay, we'll come back to that then. I'm not going to buy it at 188% up. Anyway. I had 16p from Reality Income. Hey, very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. Okay, good for you. Congratulations. If you were the antagonist and had money, Wouldn't you think of buying a bulk? I'm not sure how that relates to me. I'm sorry. I can't comment. I mean, I don't know. I don't know inside Elon Musk's mind whether he'd buy Virgin Galactic or not. I don't know why he would. 402. Getting very close now to a profit here on Virgin Galactic again. And then trimming that off the top. I just talked to a friend of mine that works for the Monthly Fool, and they said Richard Branson, you mean Branson, did have a small setback, but he's back on track. Okay, Project Freedom, thank you for that. Every penny helps. Mike, reinvest is on. I'm right with you there, Andrew Grady. 100% with you. 401. Back to here. We're waiting to take some money off the table with Virgin Galactic again. Adding to my position, keep lowering my averages. I'm looking to buy Tesla again. I bought it at 148 and sold it today of 3 shares at 156. Very happy with that. I'm looking to do it, rinse and repeat, do it again. I've just bought Rivian for 22. I'm buying more Lucid at 7. I'm buying Apple at 85. It's very, very close now. 130, Apple. Very, very good indeed. We've got a great crowd with us this morning. Let me go over to the chat and see how many people. 203 have come through the show. Welcome to everyone this morning. Welcome to all of you. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and smash the like button. We've only got 15 minutes to go. We're going to be out of here. So we've got Day Trader of the Day coming up. We've got cash prize giveaway at the end of the week. And if we get to 50 likes in the next 1 minute, I will not do a commercial break. Are you ready? Okay, smash the like button. Let me show you on the screen how many likes we've got. Here we go. If we get to 50 likes in 45 seconds, I won't run our last commercial break. 41, 42, 43. Fantastic, guys. Really good. Yeah, pick a penny up all day long. You'll have good luck. I'm right with you there, Andrew Grady. You're absolutely right. 44. If we get to 50 likes in 25 seconds, I will not run a commercial break. 20 seconds to go. Here we go. Smash the like button. Just a few more to go. We're nearly there. 14 seconds to go. Will we get there? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're at 47. Let me ring the bell. Boom, boom. All right. We nearly did it. Not quite. Very, very close again. 47. All right. Okay. Let's go back over to Virgin Galactic. Here is my overall position. I'm waiting to sell some Virgin Galactic and then buy some more at 350. Keep buying all the way down. It is our Santa rally. We're making money on different stocks today. I'm making money on my Tesla. I made money on Walmart. I made money on the Virgin Galactic shares I sold. We're all good. I find money all the time, says Stephen Rowe. Let's read these comments out here. We've got some comments here. Branson, episode 4, space, air date, December 22, as the first passenger flight of Virgin Galactic approaches. Branson defends the benefits of privately funded space exploration. Air date, December 22. Okay, thank you very much indeed for that. Jerry, if you get me the link of the channel, or you said HBO, I want to obviously watch that. I find pennies all the time. ETORO, welcome, welcome. All right, we've just a few minutes to go. Let's do Day Trader of the Day. Because we didn't get 50 likes in time, it's a 10-second commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. All right. Very happy with my portfolio. We are holding in. We're all good. We're trimming back. Nobody are dropping pennies in Fairfax County. Is that where you live, Church? The S&P 500, I'm trying to buy at 330. Virgin Galactic, just bought at 398, hoping to sell at 4010 or something like that, and then buy back down again. Just keep lowering that average all the time. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, trying to buy at 140. Rivian, brilliant. I bought at 22 this morning. Okay. Okay, let me sell some Rivian. I bought at, 22. I'm just gonna trim some Rivian off. Actually, shall I sell those? It's not that much. Yeah, tiny little scalp trades. Yeah, I will. I'll sell Rivian, and I'll put a trailing stop limit order, trailing stop order. Sell. It can go down. So there we go. I bought it at that 22 down to. I'll give it a 0.5. 0.5. Can I do 0.5? 0.5. No. You can't do you can't do less than 1. Trail. 0.5. No. No, that's 5%. You can't. You can only do 1%. Well, 1%. I don't think we're going to trend up. But I've swung it by 2.5. Okay. Sell, yeah, percentage, yeah, okay, 1% in case it just trailed a little bit. And I'll still take 1.5%. I'll trim it back. Good, because it's very, very expensive, Rivian is right now. So, yeah, review. Yeah, okay, there we go. I will trim off the top. Of those shares at a 1% drop, so I'll guarantee to make 1.5%. I don't think it's going to go up much, but that way I can forget about it when I'm swimming, and you never know, I might make a bit more of a profit on it, just to keep that trimmed back. Virgin Galactic now is 402, getting very, very close. I can't set a stop trail loss yet because you have to reach the target you want. Otherwise, what I could do is set it for 410. If it does go there, what's it likely to do today? It might go to 410. So I've got the order to buy more. So what I'll do, I will sell space. Sell at a limit order of 410. I'll sell 100 at 410. And if that pops up to there, that'll be fine. I would prefer a stop trail order, but I'm not going to be able to do that. So I will just do that. 410. Trim that back. Because we are trading down. There's no question about that. Okay. Review the order. Sell at 410 if we get there. Done. Okay. I can pick up every bit of money I see on the ground. I'm great. Oh, I do as well. I don't leave money on the ground either. Okay, we're coming back up again now. Let's do day trader of the day. It's day trader of the day times. I've got to be out of here in 5 minutes. So we're doing good. All right. Okay, here we go. Day trader of the day. Everybody post your score. I am down 1%. Just below that. Down 1.09%. There you go. Give everybody 1 minute on the clock. And then I've got to get out of here. It's water aerobics time. Okay, here we go. Here's the scores coming on the doors. Down 0.29, so Mike goes into the lead. Down 0.7, so Mike's still holding it. Down 1.48. Hey, Mike, you're winning. Ian Jackson's down 1.16, down 0.83. Mike, you're winning. When did you last win, Mike? When did you last win? Look at this. Mike hasn't won forever. Hey, Mike, things are looking up, mate. Been a while. It's been ages. Got 20 seconds to go. Someone's going to come in now. Church of Logic is down 4.59. Ouch. 10 seconds to go. Mikey, I think you could be good. Yes. It looks like time's up. Mikey wins. If you come in now, it's too late. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. And let's give him the sound effects. Mikey wins. Absolutely brilliant. I don't know when Mikey last won. That is awesome stuff. There you go. Yeah. Mike's saying, I'll take it. Thank you very much. He's up. Look at that. Best ever. Brilliant. Okay, it's time to get out of here right now, and we're in a good position. I'm happy. The markets are okay. I've made some profits. I've got some stop trail losses in place. Let me see if my Rivian is running. There you go. Look, it's running a little bit. Just a little bit. I've got a 1% drop, so I'm going to make profit on those 10 shares just to trim it back. And I could just sell it now, but I want to trim it. And SPCE I've set for 4010. Trim that back as well. All good. I'm happy. Making money left, right, and centre. It's all good. Right, so I'm going to leave you now with the Advent calendar. Here it is, Advent calendar. If you've not yet clicked it, I'll check it one last time. Does anybody leave a comment? We've got to roll the credits as well. I've got to be out of here. Yes, we got some comments from our team. Let's have a little look. We've got, I will be there. Happy Christmas, says Stephen Lundowski. Marion Ortez, Merry Christmas. Woohoo. Lovely stuff. Thank you so much indeed for doing that. Cheers, Baron Handley. Let's roll the credits. Roll them. Here is the Christmas premiere. It goes live after the closing bell tonight. You want to be there, of course. It's Let It Snow, Dean Martin tonight. How many people have left a comment and liked it? We got 5 likes on it right now. There it is in the chat. Go and like it. Be part of our community tonight. Lovely stuff. But that's it. We've got to roll the credits. Let's get out of here. Let's go to here. Go to here. Go to there. Go to ins. Go to outs. Oh my gosh. Busy. Right. Roll the credits. You ready? Roll them. Stars of the shows. Thank you so much indeed. Brick Mark was celebrating his membership this morning. Absolutely wonderful. 5 months, I believe, he's been a member. This is the Santa Rally. I'm happy today. We had a good number of people in. We're now popping up. I've sold for some profits. I've got a stop trading loss running, so that's all looking good. So I'm happy. We're all good. That's it. See you back in a bit, guys. 217 through the strips for the show. Wow, that's really good. Take care of yourselves and each other.